Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the difference between yielding and sleeping. When a thread invokes its yield method, it returns to the ready state. When a thread invokes its sleep method, it returns to the waiting state. Let's see the picture so that you can understand. So, whenever a thread is started, it goes to the ready state. Whenever it is uh, picked up by the JVM thread scheduler, it goes to the running state. So if you call the yield method, it goes directly to the ready state. That means yield is like I'm giving the opportunity to the other threads to run. So that's what yield means. So when I move the thread to when I call the thread's yield method from the running position, it goes to the ready position. But whereas from running, when I call the sleep, it goes to the sleep or waiting. Okay, so it goes to the waiting, then it goes to the ready. Again, it has to be picked up by the JVM thread scheduler. So this is how it works. Because if you see here, thread.sleep, it has to be in the waiting state for example, if you have mentioned 5 seconds here, for 5 seconds, it has to go to waiting state for 5, then it will go to the ready state, then it has to come back to running state. Whereas for the yield method, it will go to the ready state. We are not sure. The same thread might be called immediately to the running state. Okay, it does not have to wait. This is the difference between yield and sleeping. Sleeping, compulsorily it will be in the waiting state for the milliseconds that you have mentioned in the sleep method. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.